You ready to go?
Ready to go?
Don't use language just going on YouTube.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Another day.
You getting ready?
Shining. Ready to go?
Are you in shape?
No.
Okay. This is all stuff. This is all their stuff. We still can't see any freaking mountains. But we're ready to go. Gonna see if the Ford will make it another 200 miles up the hill pulling the horses. That tiny little ball.
It won't overheat like the Dodge.
Well, good thing we brought the Lincoln.
Go.
We're waiting for Brett. There's Trent's the vehicle watcher. You saying hi right now or waiting for a ride?
Yeah.
You selling yourself? Trying to buy an elk tag.
Right there, that's my bait.
Yeah, I told him to go put it up on top. Yeah.
All the elk home on that trailer right there.
Yeah, they're setting that up for us right now. Hopefully they beat us up there. All right.